Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my hearts here at Mackay Elementary School in Tenafly, New Jersey. Part of my trip out east this week, I spoke at 3 schools here in New Jersey and then one up in Massachusetts. But the talk today centered around bullying, seeing people for your heart before anything else first, just like the one race human concept. We see everybody as human beings before anything else. First and foremost, what's on the inside is what truly counts. What I really liked is their motto, their pledge, which is all over this school, talks about the Mackay champions, showing respect, having respect, showing kindness, being responsible, being honest, and then collaborating as team players. And what I really tried to hammer home was the concept of kindness, that just one action, one word, one heartbeat, 2 seconds can change a life forever, positive or negative, and we always have that choice, right? To hopefully show that compassion and empathy and choose love, choose respect. The students already came up to me, said that they started a Mr. Peace Club here, which have been started in a lot of schools across the country, and that deals with putting your name down, the date you joined, obviously being today, and people that you think need a friend or need more love, and then you go and include them. And one story in particular was class here that one of the boys, he was new to the school, didn't feel that welcome, but now part of this club, he feels very welcome. And there were some tears, and it was very heart-hitting type of day, but I was so blessed to share my heart here, and can't wait to come back and do some more hip-hop, but also just get to speak and hear some more stories about all these amazing young people that are changing the culture of their school, of their communities, and it's very inspiring. It's what keeps adding fuel to my fire and keeps me going. So thanks for touching my heart. Don't forget ever that you guys are true miracles, right? Like the M on all of our palms, M for miracle, and upside down W, that's for worthy too, right? Never forget that. You guys are beautiful, and you have so much potential, so much worth. You guys are going to keep changing the world, just like Mahatma Gandhi talks about. You guys touch my heart. Hope to see you again soon. Much love. Peace out for now. Peace.